everybody, we are back and today we are looking at the Breville Just Blend and Go, the Blend Active. And as you can see, we've chosen green. I wonder why.
What?
I wonder why we've chosen green.
It's lovely with green. It's matching my Christmas jumper.
Your top, it does.
Oh.
Right, so we bought this so we could do some smoothies and some milkshakes. So it looks really cool. It looks simple to use, light. I mean, it is cheap and cheerful. I think this cost us, what, £20, I think, from Argos. You could probably get them anywhere though. Amazon if necessary. So there we go. So Dean, do you want to open it up?
Yeah.
Open it up. See what we've got. What we've got in here. Right, we've got instructions.
Yes.
Instructions. Let's have a look so we can show everyone. That's it.
Green.
Right, we've got a green lid. That's one thing about this is that the actual blender, instead of having a jug like the common ones, you actually get these really great handy beakers. So it looks like they just attach, so we get attached to the actual motor part at the bottom here, and then you just plonk one in. You get two. Oh, that's cool. Two lids, two bottles. Looks like one's got the blade section on, I'm assuming. Just work out how they attach then, won't we? Let's have a look. Let's move that bit out the way. Want to take it out of its bag, Dean?
Yeah.
You can see exactly what we get in the package. You could have green or pink, Dean, but we chose green because. Why do you think we chose green?
Like my Christmas jumpers.
Because you like green, yes.
Green.
Yes.
That's green.
Yes. Do you want to get them out of the bags as well? In fact, I want to get them all out of the bags, Dean.
Yeah.
And then we'll have to work out where we're going to plug it in. His lordship is over here on his phone. Right, lordship, where do you want this plugged in? How long is this? How long is this lead? Let's have a look.
I put.
You fiddle with it and hold the Oh, there we are. Thank you, dear. There we are, two bottles. Cool. Two bottles, two lids. Fantastic. So I'm going to have to come over here and do it. We are currently cooking Sunday lunch. So we've got quite a few things out because of that. Okay, so what do we do? There's the instructions. Dean's got the instructions there. Lovely. Right, should we start on page 1?
Yeah.
That's it. Keep it like that if you can. And we can just, while you're holding it up, we can just... Right. I'd imagine everything needs washing. So, as you can see, lordship is washing. Always good to wash these things, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So that's before using it. Keep it like that, Dean, and I'll open it. That's it. Save you faffing about then, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
There we are. Do we have all of those items?
Yeah.
Motor, two bottles. Although that one looks like a smaller one, but we've actually got two large ones.
Yeah.
And then we've got that lid because that's already on one, and
Yeah.
the lids. In fact, we've got two lids. Does it say we've got two?
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't actually tell you how many of each you're meant to have, but
Yeah.
then using your blender. Oh, Little recipe icons. Oh, there we are. You can make, they've got some recipes. Protein shakes, berry blitz, a good morning chocolate and banana. Ooh, his lordship will like that one.
Well, bullshit.
Minus the peanut butter though. Oh, I like the recipes at the back, that's cool. And then cleaning and storage. And then connection, yeah, okay, some parts, that's fine. Right, what do we have to do? One of you is going to have to read the instructions. Hold on,
Put whatever in there.
Put whatever ingredients in there. Oh. And click it in. Oh, I like it. Well. Maybe it just sits.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's in, nice and tight. Oh, okay, cool. Right then, let's have a go at making something. So we'll make a milkshake. Right, so we're going to go for a vanilla milkshake. And as you can see, all it requires is 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream and 300 ml of semi-skimmed milk. And of course you can add chocolate sauce to it or whatever. Obviously if you want to... Oh, hold on, he's going for it here. He's gunning for it. Yeah, so a scoop is a bit broken, isn't it? The actual scoop, so unfortunately we're having to use a spoon right now. So the equivalent of 2 scoops and then 300 ml of milk. Looks simple, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does it have measuring on there or something? Or are you just guessing?
Guesstimate.
You're guesstimating. Okay, we've got a guesstimator here. Right, so that's sealed on. Okay. Right, Dean, let's go for it. Right, it's certainly noisy, but doing its job. There we are, Dean. Right, do you want to see if you can pull that off, or are we done? We need another go.
Yeah, we'll let the thing settle.
Okay, take it off and grab a lid. Here's a lid. Let's have a look. That looks really nice actually, doesn't it? And put the to-go lid on. Pop it up. Sorry, it's got hubby's hand in the way. Right, Dean, do you want to lift that up and taste it? Taste test.
That's not bad.
That's a milkshake. What do you think of that?
Nice.
That's a vanilla milkshake, that one.
Yeah.
So lots of ice cream in it.
Yeah.
Vanilla. I think I'm going to try a different flavour as well in the other bottle. So what have we got? Is that chocolate? Oh, that one looks rather nice. So one we've got clotted cream, Cornish clotted cream, and then this one's chocolate. What is it? triple chocolate. Ooh, that looks nice.
Solid.
Yes, you are meant to let them sit a little while. I think I'm going to try this. Dean, would you take the lid off it a minute for me so I can just have a little taste? That's nice. It's not bad, but I think husband put too much milk in. Very nice though. Do you want some more, Dean?
No thanks.
Maybe you prefer the chocolate one. And that's done. Yes, be careful with the amount of milk in, because it does make a difference. Oh, excuse me. On again. Dean to the buzzing. Do you want to grab the other lid, Dean?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sure. I know how to do it. It's that bit open.
That's it.
Do that like that. Like that.
That's right. I'm done. Now, do you want to give it a taste? This one's the chocolate one.
I do that way. That's better taste.
Ah, I had a funny feeling you'd prefer it. I think the ratio, the ice cream ratio to the milk is completely wrong on this one. So, he's done right, this one. Do you want to try it now? Dear? Deary, deary, dear? Oh, that one looks a lot thicker. That one looks really nice.
Not mixed.
That one's nice. Yeah, I think that one could have done with being on here a little bit longer. But what do you think? Nice, isn't it? And what do you think?
Nice.
Nice. So,
Yeah.
hopefully we'll be able to use that for different things.
Yeah.
You can put fruit in them and blitz them. Smoothies. I mean, of course, looking at the box over here, I mean, you can even put vegetables in here as well. It is a one touch, so if you take your finger off it, the motor stops working. So you need to keep your finger on it. Apparently it crushes ice. Obviously we won't know how well it does that right now because it's early days. But I do like the concept of, you know, these bottles. Just put them on to blitz what you want. Add a lid and you can literally go. Yeah, we like it. Hopefully, hopefully we'll have lots of or many years of good use of these things. What's the warranty like on it? Has anybody noticed? I'm sure it's probably a year. Yeah. Healthy drinks on the go. Throw in your favourite ingredients and just blend and go. Perfect. So hubby just said, yeah, there's a year warranty on it. Cool. So far so good.